Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to train troops in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is head on over to your base from the main screen and to your base where all your buildings are located, as you can see on my screen. Then from here, we need to simply locate the training camp. So this is called barracks. So here's my training camp here. I'm actually level 4. Now, troops are trained inside this training camp barracks building. If you haven't built it yet, you'll need to construct it first through the build menu. Now, open the training camp. So we can do this by clicking on the building, then click on that little gun icon. Now we're inside where we can train units. Now, simply tap on the type of troop or army people you want to go ahead and train. So I've currently only got these two I can pick from because of my level inside the game. And then from there, set the number of units you'd like to produce depending on your resources and training capacity, and then click confirm to begin training. So if I want to go ahead and train this level 2, and now we can train from 0 to 150. So I don't have enough resources to do 150. So if I could probably do about 18 or 16, and I'll click train, and that's going to go ahead and train troops in Last War. Now we can use wait or speed up time, so training takes time, so you can either wait until the timer finishes or use speed up's goal to finish it instantly. Also, we can go ahead and upgrade the training camp. So upgrading your training camp increases training speed and troop capacity. This lets you train more troops at once and reduces wait times.